1,200 in the last month.
A doctor from the Quad Cities is using her expertise to bust myths about the coronavirus.
And Dr. Jenn Caudle from Davenport now practices in Philadelphia. She specializes in family medicine and is a professor. Caudle is also a former Miss Iowa who posts videos every day on social media to answer questions about COVID-19 and shatter the myths. Local 4's Michaela Hughes-Shaw reports it's her way to try to keep the virus from spreading.
In a time of social distancing, Dr. Jenn Caudle says people are turning to technology.
COVID has been so tragic for so many reasons. I think one of the sort of a bright spot that's come out of it is our embracement of sort of technology and accessibility.
That bright spot has grown her online presence. She's an on-air health expert and frequently answers questions on national and local TV, but she didn't focus on her own videos until March.
I'm really super interested in which is about the why and the how and the questions that people have, that they ask me, that my patients ask me, that I hear, and I'm like, oh, people are wondering why this happens. I need to talk about that.
Caudle competed in the Miss America Scholarship Organization in 1999. The public speaking skills she learned as Miss Iowa, she now uses to tackle misinformation.
A lot of the myths, I think, they haven't necessarily gone away, they've just changed.
Keeping Americans informed is her main priority, and busting myths like these.
Alcohol would get rid of coronavirus. Drinking ice. There was a myth early on that drinking so many glasses of water will get rid of coronavirus.
She says one myth is the most important to demolish.
Please don't believe the hype that masks don't work. They do. And we're at the point where it's important for us to say that in a very pointed fashion. Masks are not political statements.
Spreading the message one video at a time. Michaela Hughes-Shaw, Local 4 News.
We provided more details about